मंशियात ने थोड़ी मदद की।
The drugs helped a little. The drugs helped a little.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना याद है कि मैं अपने उस्ताद को फोन करना था।
I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher. I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher.
वो बात करते करते बहुत थक गया था।
He was too tired to talk. He was too tired to talk.
इसने गुस्से में एक शाख तोड़ दी।
She snapped off a branch in anger. She snapped off a branch in anger.
जैसे ही मैंने इसे देखा तो मेरी मुहाफिजी हिस्स बढ़ गई।
My guard went up immediately I saw him. My guard went up immediately I saw him.
बंदर इसके पास ही गिर गया।
The monkey dropped down beside him. The monkey dropped down beside him.
मेरे बाल एक नए अंदाज में कदरे पीछे मुड़े हुए थे।
My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style. My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style.
वो इसका गौर मुताला करती चली गई।
She went on studying him carefully. She went on studying him carefully.
मैं अपने स्कूल में फर्क पैदा करने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
I try to make a difference in my school. I try to make a difference in my school.
वो काफी मतजस्सुस लग रहा था।
He seemed curious enough. He seemed curious enough.